Welcome to our video about California paid sick leave. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about California's paid sick leave law, which was implemented in 2015. Paid sick leave is an important benefit that allows employees to take time off from work when they or a family member is sick, without losing pay. In this video, we will be covering topics such as who is eligible for paid sick leave, how much time off employees can take, how to request sick leave, and what employers are required to provide. By the end of this video, you will have a general understanding of your rights and obligations when it comes to paid sick leave in California. Whether you are an employer or employee, this video is for you. Don't forget, we give away a $50 Visa gift card to one lucky viewer every week. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the winner of this week's gift card and learn how you can enter next week's drawing. Let's get started and dive into the details of California's paid sick leave law. There wasn't a law requiring sick leave, either paid or unpaid, for California employees before July 2015. Paid sick leave was enacted to provide employees with the opportunity to address their own health needs and the health needs of their families, as well as to reduce public and private health care costs by enabling employees to receive early, routine medical care and address violence, sexual assault, or assault. The paid sick leave law requires nearly all employers to give each employee at least 3 sick days per year. All employers, with at least one employee, are subject to the paid sick leave law, including state and municipal employers. In order to qualify for paid sick leave, a workplace does not need to have a certain number of employees. Immigration status is not a barrier to receiving paid sick leave. Only the following employees are exempt from California's paid sick leave law. First, employees covered by a valid collective bargaining agreement if the agreement expressly provides paid sick days, or paid leave for sick days, final and binding arbitration of disputes about paid sick days, premium wage rates for all overtime, and a regular hourly rate of pay of not less than 30% more than the state minimum wage rate. Second, employees in the construction industry covered by a valid collective bargaining agreement. Third, providers of in-home support services, and finally, employees of an air carrier flight deck or cabin crew members. Employees who work in California for 30 or more days within a year of starting their employment are entitled to paid sick days. Paid sick leave applies to almost all employees, including temporary, part-time, and seasonal employees who work 30 or more days within a year. If you find value in this video, please give us a thumbs up, it really makes a huge difference. Now, back to the video. Employees earn paid sick leave at the rate of 1 hour of sick leave for every 30 hours worked. Employees can begin using their paid sick leave on the 91st day of employment. Employees working in some California cities are entitled to even more paid sick leave days. For example, employees working in Berkeley, California receive up to 9 days of paid sick leave. Individuals working in Long Beach, California can receive up to 5 days of paid sick leave. Individuals working in Los Angeles, California can receive up to 6 days of paid sick leave. And individuals working in San Diego, California can receive up to 10 days of paid sick leave. So, check your local laws or speak to an attorney to determine how many paid sick leave days you are entitled. An employer can't make you use 8 hours of sick leave if you only need a few hours to attend a doctor's appointment. However, an employer may require you to use a reasonable minimum increment, not to exceed 2 hours. Also, your employer can't impose an inflexible rule that requires you to give notice before you can use covered paid sick leave. Emergencies happen, so if the reason you need to take paid sick leave is unforeseeable, you must provide your employer notice of the need for paid sick leave as soon as practicable. If the need for paid sick leave is foreseeable, like a scheduled doctor's appointment or a physical therapy appointment, then you have to provide reasonable advance notice to your employer. You can request to take paid sick leave orally or in writing. If you request paid sick leave orally, you should also send your employer an email or letter confirming your request. In conclusion, California's paid sick leave law provides employees with the ability to take time off from work when they are sick or need to care for a family member who is sick. This law can benefit both employees and employers by reducing employee turnover and helping to attract and retain top talent. If you are an employee in California, it is important to understand your rights under this law. If you are an employer in California, it is important to ensure that you are in compliance with this law. If you want to be entered into the weekly $50 digital Visa gift card giveaway, all you have to do is smash the like button on this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, and most importantly, comment below with any video ideas you would like to see in the future. We'd also love it if you reposted this video because we want all employees to know about their right to paid sick leave. This week's winner is Esteban Morales. Congratulations, Esteban. We'll email you shortly on how to claim your gift card. Like Esteban, when you do all three things, you will be entered in our digital gift card drawing. We pick a new winner every week. Gateway Pacific Law Group PC is located at 111 West Ocean Boulevard, Suite 472, Long Beach, California, 90802. We help all employees facing injury at work as well as other employment issues. We fight for your rights in order to protect you and your family. Do not hesitate to call us, we help protect documented and undocumented workers. Calling 562-485-6151 starts the process of obtaining the assistance you need to enforce your rights or obtain medical care and other benefits while you are unable to work. Do not hesitate to contact us for a free consultation. We are here to help you. According to California law, the information in this video and any blogs or other social media posts created or related to this video is advertising, and possibly considered advertising by your state's laws and/or ethical rules. This video was created for educational purposes only. In order to give you general information and understanding of the law, it is not intended to provide specific legal advice. You understand that this video and any blogs or other social media posts created or related to this video do not create an attorney-client relationship between you and Gateway Pacific Law Group, PC. You should not send confidential information or information that you regard as private or privileged to Gateway Pacific Law Group, PC until you have received written confirmation from the firm of its willingness to evaluate your potential case or provide the legal services you may request.